Hi, another Milwaukee Floodlight. Now, one of my friends purchased this off eBay for spares or repair and asked if I could have a look at it to see if I could repair it for him. It's a M18 HAL. The one I've got I'm quite impressed with. It's really bright. Now, I'm not sure what the problem is with this one, so I think the first thing is to try a battery in. I've got a fully charged battery here, so we'll pop that in. And it doesn't appear to be doing anything. I'll try it on the mains just in case. I've got a clover leaf power lead here, so we'll just plug that in and we'll give that a try. Right, actually this seems to work on mains, but doesn't appear to be working on the battery, so it's a different fault to the one that I looked at previously. So I think what I'll do, I'll pause the video for now, I'll take it apart and we'll come back when I'm down to the circuit board. Right, so we've got it all disassembled now. If you don't know how to take one of these lights apart, check out my previous video on where I repair one of these. Now, I've actually recorded, or thought I'd recorded, the last 10 minutes of work I've done on this, but the problem was the camera wasn't actually recording, which is a bit of a shame. But the first thing that I basically went through was, well, we know what's working and we know what's not working, because obviously it's got a switch mode power supply in, which we know is working because it works on mains. We know the LED driver and the microcontroller part of the circuit's working because it's responding to the on-off switch, which is interpreted by the microcontroller, and then that controls the LED driver, and because the LEDs light up and dim and everything, we know those parts of the circuit works. So then I was turning my attention to the input side, where the power comes in for the battery and where the power comes in for the switch mode power supply, because there's a few MOSFETs and things around here. But when I pulled the board out, there was a bit of corrosion around here. You can see some of it in the bottom of this case in here, some of this blue corrosion, and it was all round where the fuse was here. And what had happened was it had eaten through the leg on the fuse. I checked the fuse with the meter and the fuse was intact, so I thought, right, okay. So what I did, I soldered a wire from the fuse, from the side of the fuse that was had been the wire had corroded off, soldered a new wire on there, put some heat shrink over it and soldered it to the back of the board where it originally went. So we shall pop a battery in and we'll see what it does now. And I think the battery just fell apart because I haven't got any screws in this battery. There we go. Right. And there we go. Seems to be working now. So it looks like the fault was some water or moisture getting into this section of the board here and had corroded through the wire on the fuse, breaking the circuit. So I think what we'll do, we'll reassemble it, we'll give it a final test, and then I think we'll call it a wrap on this one. Right, all back together. So we shall try it on battery. Yeah, and we'll just double check it still works on the mains. So I shall plug the clover leaf lead on the side here. Yeah. Right then, there we have it. Fixing another Milwaukee M18 HAL Floodlight. Nice little quick video, that one. So if you enjoyed that video, don't forget to give it the thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, please subscribe. Any comments or questions, please leave it in the comment section below. And as always, have a great day. Thanks for watching.